Musk says his DOGE team uncovered $100 billion in Medicare and Medicaid waste after gaining access to the system. In a bombshell revelation that could shake the foundations of American healthcare, Elon Musk, leading the charge under President Trump's newly minted Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, has uncovered what he describes as a staggering $100 billion of taxpayer money wasted by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS. On Wednesday, Musk's team, along with two senior veterans from the agency, has been meticulously reviewing the CMS's payment and contracting systems, which are crucial for managing health insurance for approximately 1 in every 4 Americans, according to far-left USA Today. CMS has two senior agency veterans, one focused on policy and one focused on operations, who are leading the collaboration with DOGE, including ensuring appropriate access to CMS systems and technology, the agency said in a statement to Reuters. The DOGE team was granted read-only access to the system. Their mission, as outlined by Andrew G. Nixon, the HHS Director of Communications, is to identify, quote, opportunities for more effective and efficient use of resources in alignment with President Trump's efficiency agenda. However, the narrative has quickly escalated from efficiency to accusations of rampant waste and potential fraud. This is where the big money fraud is happening, Musk tweeted on Wednesday, in response to a post suggesting that aides using DOGE are searching the Medicare agency payment systems for fraud. However, the most explosive claim came later on Thursday night when Musk tweeted, quote, they wasted $100 billion of taxpayer money. What was he talking about? Well, this revelation comes as CMS processes over 1 billion Medicare claims annually, oversees healthcare quality through hospital and nursing home inspections, and disperses billions in matching funds to states for Medicaid programs. Now, Medicare covers currently about 68 million Americans, primarily those over 65 and individuals with disabilities, while Medicaid serves approximately 73 million low-income citizens. According to the CMS, from June 24 through October 24, CMS suspended 850 agents and brokers' marketplace agreements for reasonable suspicion of fraudulent or abusive conduct related to unauthorized enrollments or unauthorized plan switches. These agents and brokers are now prohibited from participating in marketplace enrollment, including receiving related commissions. The Department of Justice has also been active in combating healthcare fraud. In recent years, the average loss associated with the schemes prosecuted by the Healthcare Fraud Unit has steadily risen. In June of 24, the Department of Justice announced charges against 193 defendants, including 76 medical professionals, for their alleged involvement in fraudulent schemes amounting to approximately $2.75 billion in false claims. Since 2007, the Healthcare Fraud Unit has charged more than 5,400 defendants with fraudulently billing Medicare, Medicaid, and private health insurers more than $27 billion. DOGE, from its inception, was hyped to come in and decimate the scandalous spending and total misappropriation of taxpayer funds. And Elon Musk and his team have come in and lived up to all of those expectations and, in many ways, far exceeded them. Now, while some may be questioning the tactics employed, the results really cannot be questioned. What we've seen in the initial period of the Trump administration and the newly formed DOGE department is nothing short of mind-boggling. The absolute web of NGOs, initiatives that do not benefit Americans or anyone, really, could only be described as the biggest scandal potentially in US history. The evidence of complete theft committed against the American people is on display for the world to see. And what this is achieving as a byproduct is other countries asking for the same transparency. In fact, the opposition leader in Australia, Peter Dutton, running for Prime Minister this year, has put a similar initiative on the table. Now, while Australia has its own problems, and we'll get into that a bit later in the broadcast, and certainly Peter Dutton is one of those problems, there is no doubt in anyone's mind that a department the likes of DOGE is long overdue. When reflecting on the amount of taxes that populations pay versus population numbers in the workforce, versus taxes upon taxes on products and services, it's absolutely endless. And countries like the US, Australia, Canada, the UK should be in a position where virtually every citizen is wealthy and the country is absolutely immaculate in its entirety. DOGE has uncovered why it is not. The one thing we should expect now is major reform, absolute transparency over tax and total reform around it, and you can be sure that there will be a microscope on every tax dollar spent and government initiative going forward. The most important aspect to this reform, however, needs to be a populace that is completely informed about the way forward and about the systems and processes being implemented, and ultimately, the people need to have assurance that all of this will have total and absolute human oversight. How well do you sleep at night? Real peace of mind comes from knowing your family is prepared for tough times. My Patriot Supply, America's most trusted name in emergency preparedness, is offering a limited time discount on their supersized mega 3-month emergency food kit. This isn't your typical survival food. Each kit provides over 2,500 calories daily for 90 days with delicious meals and extras including chicken, beef, fruits, and veggies. We're talking quality meals that last up to 25 years in storage and still taste like home cooked. The pandemic taught us how quickly store shelves can empty. Don't wait for the next crisis. Your mega emergency food kit includes free shipping, a disaster replacement warranty, and 24/7 USA-based support. This special discount is available for this week only, so visit preparewithvnn.com now to secure your family's future with a $250 discount. If you order by 3 p.m., they'll ship your order the same day, so you have peace of mind right away. Go to preparewithvnn.com.